Hello guys, today we are doing 2019 May.June paper, and this is paper 2, variation paper 2 1. So in this we are going to try out solve data manipulation. This is the second topic, data manipulation, that is of databases. Now let's go to the section fast. Here is the one. Task 3. You're now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all currency values display the same currency symbol and are set to 2 decimal places. See, when they did not mention what currency symbol we have to use, we can use dollar. But wherever use dollar. Okay, we should not change it. We should not have different currencies, but only one currency. The most common one in the easily available in MS Access is dollar. Okay, automatically or by default it gives dollars as a currency for any amount. So let's use dollar. Yeah, this is understood. Now, use a suitable database package. Import the file j219books.csv. Use these fields. Java will set as well the data types of all these fields. Now, let's go to the folder. Let me open j219 books. See here, just right click and open with. Sorry, let's import it first. Okay, now just let me open MS Access. I'll import that file. I don't need to open in Excel and all. Straight will just import into MS Access software. Let me take a blank database and I'll give the name okay. It will open with a default table, so just we can close it and delete it later. Now I have to import that j219 books file. So let's go external data, new data source, from file, text file, browse. Now we have to browse to our folder where this 2019 files are there. Just go to in your system, go to your folder, open the folder like this, like me, and open paper 2.1. In this we have books. Okay, yeah, oof, so much data is there, so much data. Okay, you have to get the data. This is .csv, comma separated values. When we form into columns, this every comma value will become one column. Okay, next, first row contains field names. Next, and here is the title something, and here we can go advanced to set the data types and field information. Now let me open the question paper. Title, text, and it's a number in the sense we can take an integer. Okay, text, integer, and 3 texts. Okay, short text, and a long integer we can take just an integer, and 3 others are text. Okay, fine. Number rank is a number, it's an integer. Volume is an integer. RRP, ASP. Okay, these two. After this one is an integer, and volume is also an integer. Okay, RRP is a currency. Yeah, currency, and ASP is also currency. RRP is a currency and ASP is also a currency. Then after this, binding is a text, binding is just short text. Okay, publish date maybe. This is all about what? Reports, something said. Okay, date time and dd mmm and yy. See, an example is also given over there. Okay, that will say just it's a date time, it's already given there by default. Okay, so now let's take okay there. Next, any primary keys order in the this we will set the format and all will set in the design view of the database. Now set book reference as a primary key and save the data. Okay, choose my primary key. Book reference is a primary key for me. Next, and we can just finish off. Okay, that's so much data. Okay, I guess this details are so many. The title, if you want to just see the whole stuff, it takes time, and what's that? It occupies more space here. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the next part of it. Oof. Okay. Okay, fine. See, just you have to scroll and check. Now I'll go to, I have to set the currency to dollars and 2 decimal places and the date format as well. Fine. Now home, view, design view. Now first of all I will set currency. Okay, currency over here, and format, check format about the first one. Currency, see, just showing the dollar sign over there, and decimal places as well. I'm going to take 2 decimal places. Okay, the other one as well. First it's dollars, and the other one is it's two decimal places, and the last one published date, maybe something like that. Format here, this one, right? dd mmm and yy, two digits last, and first 2 digits, and 3 letters of the month. Okay, save. So when you just close here in the corner and it'll ask you for the saving, yes, you click and just open it. Now you see our the currencies with 2 decimal places and the date. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to it's a lot of data. Now let's go to the question paper. Place in the evidence document screenshot evidence showing the field names and data types used. Just now we opened the design view, let's open back, and this one they want to see. Fine. So take a light shot over there, press print screen button, just crop till the down, it's whatever the general and lookups and all. Okay, copy. Now let me go to the folder. Where is my evidence? Yeah, which number it is? Which number? 6. Yeah, here. Just paste. Okay, done. Save and just minimize and keep for the later use. Now next, this is all done. Import the file g219gener.csv as a new table in your database. Set class code as a primary key, so no need of field settings and all different stuff and all. Just directly we have to import, and only they want what? Class code as a primary key. Okay, done. Now let's yes, yeah, just keep it empty area over there. Just close whatever if the tables are open. Now go to external data. New data source, from file, text file. Now I have to open something 219 genre. Okay, yeah, there's little less data over here. First row contains field names. Next, they want only the primary key. Okay, what's the primary key there? Class code is the primary key there. Yeah, class code is the primary key. Next, finish, close. Yeah, here I got. Fine. This is another one on the table imported. Now we have to set something over there, I guess. The relationship something. Okay, we are here. Create a one-to-many relationship between class code in the genre table and class code in the books table. We have been explaining what is this relationship and why do we need to set it. Okay, we've been doing from paper 2014 onwards, I guess 2015 onwards, we have one relationship to set. Okay, so relationship maintains the data integrity between the connected or related tables. Okay, suppose if you delete one record, automatically its related details in the other table will be deleted. Okay, that is nothing but data integrity. And accessing details from both the tables at a time is possible by setting the relationships. Not only among two tables we can set the relation, even three tables as well, more than three tables as well we can set the relation. Okay, so we can maintain the data integrity, we can maintain the data consistency as well with these relationships. Done. And for having this relationship among tables, you have to have a common column in the tables. Suppose you see over here class code, you just check the details in the table, means the values over there having just a combination of text and numbers, the pattern of the values, and you see in the other table where is the class code. Let me see class code. See there, you'll get actually the name is same, sometimes it could be different as well the name, but you have to see the data inside the column. Okay, this data and that data has to match exactly. Yes, and here it is just a non-key, means it is not a primary key. Yes, this is not a primary key at all. Book reference is a primary key for this table, but in general table class code is a primary key. Fine. So in this primary key column, you see every value only once, just once. Okay, just once. All should be unique, different, distinct values in the primary key column. But in the other table, since it's a non-key, it's not a primary key, it's not anything other key or column, so you can have duplicate of the same values from the primary key of other table. You can have any number of times you can repeat over here, but the values in this column should be coming from this column only. Okay, hope that is clear. Now I just let me save this and close. I have to set the relation. Okay, now database tools, relationships, add, close. Okay, so one to many. First I'll keep primary key column first. Okay, a table, and this is non-key column table. Okay, it got a very big so many columns, it got only 3. Okay, and from class code 1 to many. Okay, even we can keep here as well, no problem, here or here, 1 to many. Okay, so this one 2, see there, just something is the name is just flying along with this cursor. Yes, this has to appear, the dialog has to appear, till then you have to keep on trying. Fine. one to many, it's been selected. Even they'll ask us to take the screenshot as well. Once we set the relation, when the graphic appears, the line appears, then we'll take. Okay. Enforce referential integrity or elevate. You don't have this much. Okay. Create. Okay. Done. Place C. This is what? Showing the relationship among two tables. Now let me just get that back. Just click on the this link, the relation line. Okay, keep aside this one and we'll take a screenshot of it. Okay, now let's go to evidence. After this, I guess, seventh evidence. Okay, just save. Now let's come back to the question. Create a columnar data entry form using fields from the books table only. Just from books table. First table, that is. Okay, and it is what? Columnar data entry form. Okay, let's do that. Includes only the fields. Let me just prepare for the form. Okay, close this, save, close. Okay, create form wizard. Okay, I have to go for books. And which are the ones includes, which columns are included? Book reference, class code, title. Let me just pick book reference, class code, title. Anything more? Imprint and publish date, binding. Imprint, where is imprint? Published date, then binding. Then what else? Volume and ASP. Volume and ASP. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just let me verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Yeah. Includes a suitable form title in a large underlined font. Okay. Okay, fine. But it should be columnar. Next. Columnar. It's selected. And they want the name. See, it's given over there. Includes a suitable form title in a large underlined font. So what do we take here as a report form? Books form. Books underscore form. Just modify the form's design. Check that. Okay. This is the design view of the columnar form. Anything to adjust? You can just reduce the length. Or maybe we have a longer names. Let's see. Okay, later we'll change that. Just save the work. Now what else we have to do? The layout has a consistent alignment and spacing. All field names and data are fully visible. Yeah, is it visible? Everything. Just you can even just pull it down till the footer. Yeah, books form over here. Fine, everything is visible and they are aligned. We can say, just to make it a bit neat. Just I'm adjusting this. You can also do that faster than me, I guess. Okay, okay, now it's fine. Even you can reduce the width of it, the length, I mean. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. It's fine, and just equally spaced and all they are asking, so just I'm adjusting all this. Fine. Okay, now let's move. 23 is done. Use the form created in step 23 to enter the following details. Okay, one record they want. Okay, we have to enter as a new record. Okay, as a new record. We have to go to the new record and we have to enter. Okay, fine. Book reference, just I'll copy this. But in the exam, you'll have a hard copy paper in your hand. You have to keep on typing it. Okay. Here, book reference. Save the work. Okay, view, and we have to go form view. Here I can enter. Okay. So here I have to go to the last record. See, this is the last. This is the next. This is the last. How many? Oof, 2,344 records. Now, if we add the new record, it will be 2,345. See, this is the new record. Can you see that? New and blank record. Now, let me just paste that what I brought. Book reference. This is what, no? They gave us. Okay, what they gave us? Book reference. It's a number. Oh, long integer, I guess we're supposed to take. Okay, sorry, just we'll delete this. We'll take a long integer. View, design. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, fine. Later I'll take. Books table. Design view. Here for this number, what is that? Books. There's a number. We'll take long integer. Okay, let's take a long integer. Now let me just open a new record. New record. And let me paste that. Yeah, it's working now. Long integer. Change that to long integer. Now next, copy, paste, title. Just well, fast we can just copy, imprint something. Imprint is here. Now next, date, publish date, maybe it is. Just paste. Next, paperback binding, copy, paste, volume, paste, and the price maybe. Sorry, the price 5.29. Okay, 5.29. Okay, it's been saved. Now what is the this is the first record, this is the last record. See, now 2, 3, 4, 5 records we have. That means, see, this is the one we added just now. Okay, to save the work. Now let's go to the equation paper. Check your data entry errors. Make sure all the data is fully visible. Save the data. Fine. Place your evidence document screenshot showing this data. Okay. This is one they want to see. Just press print screen. Then take a screenshot. Copy. Then go to the evidence. It should be 8th evidence, I guess. Paste. Save the work. Now get back to the question. Okay, this is done. Use fields from the books table. Produce a tabular report. Okay, they want the report. For that, we have to create the query first. Okay, so tabular report they want. Fine. From where we have to start? From here we have to start. So first, let me just prepare the query. It is done. Just save the work and close it. Now create query design. We want from books, right? Only from books. Add and close. Shows only the fields title, imprint, publishing date, binding, published date, binding, volume, ASP, sales value in this order. Sales value is the new field that we are going to calculate. So its calculation is over here. Okay, so sales value is the one. Sales value, I can just copy it without any spelling mistakes or anything else, syntax. Okay, so here it has to come sales value. Just give a colon there, colon. Okay, then we have to go for what is the calculation. Here is the calculation which is calculated runtime and displayed with the same currency formatting as these two. That's dollar. So okay, fine. This field will multiply the volume field by ASP. Okay, now where is volume? The spelling you see there. Keep in square brackets volume, close the square bracket, into multiplication. ASP, that also inside ASP, all capitals, inside square brackets. Okay, enter. Now it got the same currency as the rest of currencies. Property sheet, format, currency having dollars, you see there. Okay, now just let me save this for query question. Just what's the question number? 25. Okay, 25. I will run and see how this my calculation is working. Run. Yeah, having the currency dollars, and we have got all the stuff perfectly. All right, see, this is the calculation. ASP into this one into this is this. Okay, fine. Now let's check more. We finished these two. Select the records where title includes the text night. Includes the text. Okay, we have to use this asterisk. Okay, title. Okay, so here you see the title having lots of like length of values so much. In this, if night is there, that value should be displayed. Okay, that value should be displayed. Night, see there, midnight is there here, and in this tiny bit it's not there, so it should not come in the query. Okay, should not pick those records. So wherever night word is there in these values, that all records should be picked. So that's what we have to do the condition. Design view, where is the title? Here, title. Double quotes, star, and paste that night. Again star, then double quotes. Enter. Save the work and just check run. See there, having only everywhere night the word is included in every record. Okay, next. Volume is more than 600, just more than. Where is design? Volume more than 600, under criteria more than 6,000. Okay, 3 zeros. Okay, now just save, run. Volume, see, everywhere you see only more than 6,000 in the whole column. Okay, next. Imprint does not include proton, does not include, just copy this. Okay, imprint, where is imprint in design? Here. So you can just take not, okay, and the double quotes, star, proton, double quote, the star and the double quotes. Okay, see the formula there. Save the work. Means proton shouldn't be there in the imprint. Let's see. Anyway, proton is there. Not there. Okay, perfect. Next. So this is all done. Sorts data. Now this is a report part. Now this is done. It's a very big query. Save and then close. Now we have to create the report. Which is the query? Query 25. Query 25. Okay, all are included, right? All. Just pick all. Next. This is just simply next over here. Yeah, here. Sorts data in ascending order of binding and descending order of volume. Ascending here of binding and descending of volume. Is it right? Descending order of volume. Okay. Has a page orientation landscape, fits in single page. Next. Landscape fits in single page. Yeah, tabular. Now next. Includes only the text. Yeah, this one we have to copy. As a title it goes. Here we have to take. What else? As a name and all the stuff. Okay, fine. So modify. Yeah. If you see, save the work and just see the layout view. We have to adjust those columns. Fine. Just adjust it fast. Something very long. See there, something night. It's very long value. Okay, till here. Title is here. Okay, then this one got everything. Okay, the whole data is visible. When you get plus double-headed arrows, just you can move them. And this one, some published date, I guess. Date is not visible, and we can just move it. Okay, this is ASP. Okay, now this is the last one. It's all visible. Okay, fine, save. Now what else I have to do? Name, center number, candidate number, and the in the footer of the report, so it is displayed on every page. Save and print the report. Okay, now I have to go to home. then design view. Here, just to pull it down a little bit, here we have to display in the footer. Okay, they want in the footer, page footer. Here I have to display, just let me put this here. So take a label, place it in alignment with other details of page and all, this time, date. Now I'll type in my details, center 1 2 3 and candidate number. Okay, save, and let's see in design, sorry, in layout, go down. Yeah, here is the one, our details. Okay, now what we have to do, just we have to print this. File, print, preview. Let me see how it looks, or just I'll go for the print directly. Sorry, not like this. File, print, here itself, right? Okay. One page, second page. Okay. Sorry. Okay, that much only. Yes, it's perfect. Now next, this whole thing done. Make sure you have all those entered. Yes, we have. Export the report created in step 25 in rich text format. Okay. Save the exported file in your work area. Step 20, whatever we created the report, we have to export, and we have in RTF, and we have to save that file. Okay, place in your evidence document the screenshot to show the exported file saved in your work area. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. Yeah, sure. Okay, this one, just they want to export this. Right click, export as a Word RTF. Just click this one so that it opens when you say OK here. Where we want to save this, see here, make sure it's saving in your folder, okay, this is very important. Make sure it's being saved in your folder where we are working in, then okay. Yeah, this is what we got. Look at this. Too, on every page we have the we have our details. Fine. Now I have to go to my folder. Fine, I have to go to my folder and just show it's an RTF. Yeah, here is that, like this. Yes, now just to take a print screen, select it, and I have to highlight it, so I'll use this square. Okay, I'll use the square. Where is my okay, is it okay, fine. Okay, RTF, so I'll show with the an or arrow. Okay, is it a file type? Okay, now I have to place it in my evidence here. Fine. Save. Next we'll go to the question. Okay, this is all done. Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report. Again, we have to. One more, we have 27. So for that, we have to create a query. Let's go. It's very lengthy. Okay. Close this. Now create query design. Now both we have to take. Both we need. Okay. Yeah, we need both. Shows only the fields title, author, binding. Title, author, binding. Book, genre, and rank. In this order: book, genre, and the rank. Where is the rank? Where is the rank? Labels display and did not group the data. Okay, fine. This is done. Selects the records where the book genre is children, copy this, or young adult. Book genre, okay, any one of it, just paste, or just or. Now let's go to one more value, just copy that, or you can just type in there as it is with the capital letters, small letters, and here my cursor is blinking. Just press enter, automatically it'll be set. See there. Let me see this is working for me. Query 20 Q27. Children or young adults only should be existing. Children, oh, everybody's a children here. Young adults only. Yes, the condition is perfect. Now let's go to the question. Rank is 400 or less. Okay, go to design. Rank 400 or less than or equal to 400. Okay, let me just see once that it's working. Maximum is 400, right? Yeah, it's always less than 400, say. Okay, binding is just paperback. Copy, Control C, binding, a design, binding here. Just press enter. Save, run. Just only paperback they want. Okay, all paperbacks. See ya. Okay, this is all done. Sorts the data. Okay, that's the report part. This is done. Now let me just save and close it. I have to go for now the report wizard. You take question query 27, all columns. Next, just here you take only here we took everything, right? Next. Okay, source data in ascending order of rank. Next, portrait, single page. Okay, this three done. Includes only the text top ranking youth fiction. Copy this here. Modify. What is something is there? Okay, we have to do some calculation over there. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, this is done. In design view, just save it. Now let's go for the calculation. We want to see in layout, and this will adjust the fields first. See, rank is not seen at all. There is no place. Here for this we need a bigger area. Oof. The whole text should be seen, okay? Every value should be seen till the end. And author, totally we have to move it. Where are the values of author? This is the one. Okay, let me move from here first. Okay, this is adjusted a bit. I can have more space from here. Sorry. Okay, from here to okay, author, I have to move totally. This is the one, author one. Yeah, author. Oh, it's just going there. Okay, now I hope it's better, clear. Okay, save. Now after the calculation, calculates total number of books in this selection and positions this number under the binding column and has a label. Okay, first let me calculate. Go to design and which column? Number of books, binding column. Okay, just pull it down here, binding, just select that and just totals, count records. Okay, here is the one, and we need a label there. Just copy this text for the label in front of that calculation. Go to label, drag over here and paste in that. Okay, then just align it with the value, the calculation. Okay, let me see how it's seen in layout. At the bottom, 28 here, 28 books. Okay, number of books. Oh, it's gone. Okay, fine. Save. Has your name, center number, candidate number on the report. Save and print. Where we'll place it? Let's place it on the top. Okay, home design. Okay, I'll place it over here in a label. My name, center number, candidate number. Okay, save and just let's check in layout. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, now we have to save this. We saved it and we have to print it as well. Print preview. If you see only one page, page 1 of 1. Okay, the whole data is clearly visible. Yeah, this whole thing is done. Place in your evidence folder, this one, a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of records. Okay, let's go to design, home. Okay, this preview, just close the preview. Home, design. They want to see this calculation. Okay, press print screen and just I'll take the whole. Then I'll just point out there. Okay, this is the calculation, or just I'll take again of the binding, right? Of the bind here to here. Shoot. Yeah, here. Okay, a copy. Go to evidence and here at 10, I have to paste. Save the work. Now come to the question paper. Yeah, 10 is done. Recommend 2 changes that could be made to improve the efficiency of ease of use of your database. Justify your choices. Type your recommendations with reasons into your evidence document using no more than 100 words. So what are the recommendations? No, like here what we can do to improve our database is the first one. We can insert navigation buttons to go through the records easily. One. And the second one is the drop down menus, so that data entry gets easier. Data entry, typing in the new records become easier when we add what's that, the drop down menus. So those two we can suggest to improve our database. Okay, about that we will write. Okay, number one, navigation buttons can be inserted. And what is the reason for this? We can easily navigate through the records. Second one, we can no add this drop down menus. What is the reason? We can easily add or enter the data in the database. Okay, these are we can suggest to improve our database. Fine. What else we have to do? This is done. 28. Yeah, it's over. It's done. Thank you. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you. And you can download the source file and the question paper from the description. Thank you.